Ia, tako inga yo site ngau kong umay nang malanga. Kong may skinge may Hawaii, leo may Ausetalia, ya leo mako. Leo mako may isifirki la so tinama. Ya, ma tina nga, ya. Ay, fa maro Faafetai ko leo kong umay site. San, ngufalei. Ya, leo mako fiafia leo. Umay ko skinge say yo may lainga. Okay. Patala, Akosita, Daisy, and Tolangau. Well, yeah, thanks God that mommy arrived here safe. Don't worry that she's gonna enjoy her stay here in Hawaii for her 50th birthday. But good luck to you guys. Yeah, hopefully that
Daddy.
in these 2 weeks, Sita will enjoy staying here with us. Okay?
Daddy.
Yeah, alofa tu ya ko. Malama ya otina nga.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, happy Mother's Day. Oi, yeah, yeah. Faifo nga.
Mother's Day.
To everybody, ya Mel.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, Faifo. Yeah, antifanga ya. Yeah, antifanga la fakalima ya la saungi ya mai maneweli. Yeah, pe amola pa sisi. Bueno. Yeah, I say famul mo si fakalla le makula saungi fa chau eh. Ya, manuia ko uma fa se fo.